Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Oh, shoot. Okay. So, anyway, if you heard my voice again, that was because, just repeat it. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, chat. In today's live stream, I will be, doing some nights at Sharky. This is pretty much a recreation of Five Nights at Freddy's, but inside of Sketch, and I'm trying to make it funny. So, this is some nights at Sharky's, and only for me it says gameplay right there. Only for me, not for anyone else. And if you click, so see this right here? I drew this right here. And that's the little animatronic. Keep your little animatronic. And click start right here.
Let's go.
And it makes a little let's go sound. And not like the actual Five Nights at Freddy's. I changed it to make it look cool, so that you have to accept the terms of service, just like a real job. I agree to work at one of the world's rated restaurants in the world for one night. I also agree to not get scared of the robots. Finally, I agree to all of the terms of service and all terms and service on the back. So we just click agree. And it makes a pencil writing sound. And that right there, that is the fan. That's the fan right there. It keeps going again and again and again. It's pretty cool. And when we go to our cameras, I've animated it right here on camera on, so they blink like that, as you can see. On cam 2, this is just like the original. This is a remix project that I'm trying to make it better. So this button right here, this is a mask button. So when you click it, you could usually keep it on forever, but I made it so when you take it off, you have to wait for the seconds, and then you could do it again, because you could just keep it on forever. It's pretty hard. I just got destroyed by a cow. Now, I didn't really make that cow. It's actually from this project right here, One Night at Katie's. So, if we look at this, we could see the inside of the project. Now, this is where things get real cool, because you could see the code of how it's newspaper, and the title screen right here. You could go in the scripts, gameplay, and on the start button, you could see start right there. And for the animatronic, you could see how he glitches side to side. This is the fan. This is called a smear frame right here. So it could look like it's going like real fast like in real life. You notice how you move your hand real fast, and then you'll see like a little smear frame right there. You can't just like see your hand moving side to side. So like pretty much it just goes, and then it, look, chat. You see how it goes like really fast? Yeah, that's called a smear frame. And if we go right about here, you can see it opening and closing eyes for the costume. Now, I actually tried to do it on the cameras, but it just wasn't working. I swear the cameras are about here. Yeah. So I tried to make it blink already, but it wasn't working. So I had to make a separate one that blinks when it's on. when I receive cam 1 right here. So after that, we look at the time. And for the original game, like, I make like all of this code. It's just a remix. So chat, this is the game. This is the game. It loads and stuff. And then it just tells you the terms and service. Now, this right here, this is a character that was already in the game. And this is jump scare. Now, we're going to change the characters to look like characters like this instead. So, how are we going to do that? Well, see this? This little apple character? We're actually going to change it. So, as we could see inside of the coding on the EO room one, it'll go to these different types of things for the room. Now, we're actually going to make it so it plays an animation when you do that and stuff. You know? To make it more funner. So anyway, if we go right about here, we can see this little poster I made with the character all smooth and stuff. You see it? And him holding the pizza. On the security cameras, you could see it looks like bitmap, so it makes it look weird, like on the thingy. Now, if we go right about here, you can see the little darknesses to make the room dark. Now, let's actually get to coding the game. This is the static, by the way. I changed it to snowflake thingies. Now, I actually kind of want to add a skip button because of how long the loading screen is. So, first off, let's add a skip button for the loading screen. What do you think it should look like? In the comments, tell me. What do you think? Any ideas? I'm actually just going to make it like this, and this, and this. Now we're going to save it right here, right about here. Now let's add a little bit of text, a little bit of pizzazz. Let's add a skip button. Now that we're done with the little skip button, we could put it right here. And then we can make it look yellow and cool. Then after that, we can make it have a little bit of shading, because why not? And like gold and stuff. Yeah, that is good now. Oh, thank you, Wade713. Yeah, it is cool. Thank you for saying wow. Okay, so you guys have recently been always watching me play Geometry Dash, but I actually like code on Sketch too. Oh, thank you, Comported Box is amazing. Thank you so much. So, this right here is the skip button. Does anybody want to give me an idea of like what they want me to add to the skip button? Like an extra detail? Tell me in the chat. What do you think I should add? Extra detail. Because I will add it to the skip button. Let me know that I'll be making it. I'll also make it other thing where if you hover your mouse over, it changes the size a bit. Okay, let's do that. So, and when you hover off, it goes back to regular size. Now, this is how we're going to want to do this. When it is green flag clicked, we do hide. Now, first let's move it to where we want it. Skip button. And then we put go to X 162, Y minus 144. Now, these are the coordinates of where it should go, the sprite. And when we make it to, let's see, which one is it for the loading? So pretty much that's actually just green flag clicked. So we could make it show when it's clicked. And so for it to do what Wade 713 Real says, we have to put a forever block. Then we have to put if then. And then we have to put this and this and this. So this right here, it's like does how it's touching the mouse pointer and mouse down. Now actually, I don't think we're going to have that. Touching mouse pointer, it should change sizes. That is set size. So you're probably wondering, why are you making it set size into? I've actually used Sketch a lot. I know a lot of what to do. Okay, cool. So anyway, we gotta put something like this. 0.5, 0. Then we gotta do like this. Point. I kind of know what I'm doing. I kind of don't. Okay, chat. Let's see what this is going to do. Okay, and 2. Well, chat. It seems I'm doing it wrong. Set size to plus size plus 10. It's because you put as smaller than 100. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, chat, what are we doing? 10 to 100. What am I doing, chat? Oh no. We'll just set the size to 110. There we go, chat. There we go. And then we'll make it go to 100. Yeah. That's pretty good. And then, if we want to go a little bit, make it a little cool, we can make it go like this. And then we could go like this. Plus, we have to copy the coordinates. Place it on to here. Copy and pasty. And then we put it to something like 170. And so this is going to make it start moving all crazy. And then we can make this, copy this right here, and put it right here, And this is going to make it move crazy too. 150. Chat, let me cook now. Let me cook. And then, after that, should get a result in. Oh, chat, what do you think of that, chat? It goes like that when you do it. What do you think, chat? Chat, is it genius or does it look bad? Thank you, Wade713, for cool. Thank you. This is nice. So, after that, we're going to put a wait until mouse down. And after that, it should make it so it goes to title screen. Whoop, that was an accident. Title screen. Stop this script. And after that, chat, we have to make another one saying, okay, after that, we're going to make it so it goes right here and it stops every single sprite in here. And then it should be good. Oh shoot, chat. Oh no, chat. What did I do? Hold up, chat. Chat, wait. Why isn't it doing what it used to do? Now, chat, when this happens, I think I'm just going to go like this, and this, and go like that, and go like this, and go like this, and go like this. And then, chat, go like this and this. Then it should work still. And then after that, it should probably disappear. Chat! Did I cook or did I not, chat? Did I cook or did I not? Fun fact, if you put a really large invisible box around the costume in Vector, make sure the box is touching the bottom of the costume, then in this hold set around set swirl thingy, it makes it crazy. Hold up. Hold up. Let me try what you're trying to say, Wade. Hold up. Let me cook. Let Wade cook, chat. Let Wade cook. So, we get this and we go right here, and then we put a really large invisible box. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Put something in the middle first. Okay. So we put something in the middle first. Okay, chat. 0. Now what? Put it in the middle. Come on, wait, what do I do now? Put the box at the same cost. Really large box. Like this? Then what we do? Make it invisible. Then what? Put it on the same costume. The same? Oh, yeah. Okay. Now what? Make the bottom of the box touch the bottom of the scroll. This one? This box? Or the invisible one? Invisible or this one? Invisible or this one? The invisible, okay. It's going up. Thank you for saying that looks good. That looks good. Thank you, Ryan GD. Go to the code and find the set effect code. The code and find the set effect and put roll. Yeah, roll. And then what? And make it forever. Minus 10 to 10, and then I click the script so that it'll go. This code. Okay, I'll click it. What the heck? That's cool. That's cool. It's like dancing. It was funny. Set the numbers higher. Minus 90 and 90. What the heck? Hold up, that looks 3D like it dancing. Maybe I'll play a little low. Minus 50 and 50. What happens if I make it go a little slower? Fisheye? Why is it dancing? Hold up, I got an idea. My character for my YouTube channel. Hold up. One second. By the way, chat, this is how you draw my character. And then you draw a little thing like this. And then you draw a little hat. And then you make it like that. You have some potential to become an epic sketcher. Thank you, by the way. And then we put it like this. And then we add this. And then we add this. Nah. And this. And this. I meant this. And then after that, we come. Oh, shoot. Come right here, copy. And let's make another spy like this. We put this. And after that, put on the back. And then after that, he's dancing. And then we put the hole. Nice. Oh yeah, that's good. I'll just put this right here. And then I'll make it set goes 50. 40, 40, 20. There we go. And after that, I'll add a little thing of my name right there. Boom. Then after that, we'll make go to number costume 3. Is that costume? Costume number 3. And then we'll make create a clone. And when I start as clone, then go to number 4. And then go to front layer and make the text go down. Oh yeah, thank you for that. And then fisheye. I'm at all. Then we make this effect into the fisheye. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Wade713. And yeah, the live stream is going to end now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the live stream.
Let's go.
Here's the game so far. You just click agree. I love helping other people. Thank you so much, Wade713, for helping. Okay. It's such a cool game. Thank you, Wade713, for helping. And I'll make sure to put you inside of the credits. And that's all, guys. Hope you love the stream. Bye.